Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
First, the people of those states for their patience and belief in the rule of law and committing this process of law. Indeed, democracy is the only hope for the survival of this nation, and this judgment has demonstrated the efficacy and the gains of believing in democracy. We thank the court, and we thank particularly the person of the Deputy Governor of Edo State, His Excellency, Comrade Philip Shuaibu, for trusting in the judiciary. Thank you very much.
Just one question. One more question now. Sir, wait, just one question. Okay. The Excellency, sir, how do you react to this judgment? It has been taken to the opposition as...
Wait, hold on, let me deny us for the game. Because one other case that you have to judge
let him say something.
You stated for your position as Deputy Governor. How do you react? And did the court make any consequential order as to your benefits as a Deputy Governor, why this proceeding had gone on? So, we'd like to hear from you, sir.
I think that's you are being from a lawyer to talk about the case. For me, I want to thank the judiciary. I want to thank Justice Omotosho for his courage, and he has restored confidence that truly the judiciary is the last hope of the common man. And as a common person, justice has been done. And now we thank Edo people and Nigerians. Everywhere I went throughout this process, everybody I see, they tell me we are praying for you. I want to tell Edo people and Nigerians that have been praying for me that God has answered our prayer. So I dedicate this to God. I trust God. This justice, judgment today has reaffirmed the foundation of democracy in Nigeria, and it has also sent a message to anti-democratic forces that their time is coming to an end. Democracy will survive in Nigeria.